Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Saga Analyzer TV. In this channel, what are we going to be really doing in this channel? We are going to be bringing videos here to analyze. Any video we pass along inside Facebook, we will come here and talk about it. We will come here and analyze it for you guys. So, if you know you are going to be loving what we are going to be doing in this channel, please do us a favor by subscribing to this our channel. I will appreciate it. Appreciate every one of you for stopping by to subscribe to this channel. Please encourage us to grow in this channel by liking and sharing our videos. And today's video, we are going to be talking about Monica, Lobolobo, and Rita Ayemiamo. The ongoing saga inside Facebook. And what I really saw in this social media issue and this saga that is going on ground is not really good. Because saga of a thing is about you tell me, I tell you. You understand? So don't be angry. Maybe somebody tell you what makes you angry. You will be angry about it. It's not really good. You understand? And what you need to do is for you to also tell that person back what the person will not also like, and because that person told you what you did not like, you will do it that way. It's not by taking that person to Juju to summon that person. It's not really good, because this is getting out of hand. That people, when you tell them something, you saga one person or the other one saga you, the next thing you will do, you go and bring Juju paper for that person. Is really bad. It's really bad. If you know that you cannot do the saga of a thing, don't start it or don't do it with that person. Or you cannot fight the fight. And what you will do next, you will go there and bring that Juju paper. It's not good. That is what I think. I don't know if any other person think what I'm thinking. Or I don't know if any other person reason the way I reason it. So if you reason it the way I reason it, don't forget to leave your comments on my comment section. You understand? It's not up to go to your parents' house to go and arrest your parents back home. It's very bad. It's not good. When you are doing what you are doing on social media, your parents did not even know about it. Why not go to them and arrest your parents back home? It's not really, it's unfair. It's not good. For me, I'm saying my own parts, what I think about the saga that is going on right now. And if you are just passing by, you see my video and you did not like what you are seeing or what you are hearing, that they are going back home to arrest their parents, also leave your comments for us, so that I will know that somebody like you stop by and you are with me in this video that I'm doing right now. And if you are with me, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Share it so that it will get to Rita and Monica Lobolobo. Let them stay away from trouble. Let them not use their saga to disturb their parents back home. If they are doing their saga, let them do it between themselves on media. That is what I think about this saga. So tomorrow we'll continue this video, and we will also continue about more sagas inside Facebook. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.